So that pretty much is what they accomplished. Now, for me, my big chore today was to manage the trash. So I cut up a lot of cardboard today. Filled this up with cardboard. Fill that up with cardboard. Well, lots more space here. It's about the only place we have space. Give you a look at the box. Move boxes we have here. Those are mostly the small Lowe's size. There's some medium and large heavy duty ones here. And we've still got some that are pretty much still full tubs. I put those cabinets, assembled those, so Kathy will start to move items into the cabinets there. She has access to. I'll probably build a shelf along that wall. And once that patio is done out there, all of this furniture will go. The box count was around 130. And 3 trailer loads that were not boxed. They're reusable tubs for the most part. And this Colorado was just packed to the gills for 3 trips. Back seat, front seat, and of course the back bed area. So that's our accomplishment so far, has resulted in those empty boxes there. And I'll be posting that on our local Facebook here for people come pick them up if they can use them. Hate to throw them away. So those other boxes were from the cabinets and some other cabinets inside the house that I put together. They came in cardboard boxes. So that's what that cardboard is from. It was nice that this garage came with a 50 amp plug receptacle, and I got a 50 to 30 amp adapter there. And then it has the sewer hookup and water. But what it didn't come with was a sink. So I went to Lowe's and got this utility sink. It's the smaller size, and it fits pretty nice in there. So with this sink, if I put that P-trap in there, hook it to that 1.5 inch flex hose, run along the baseboard to the sewer, then there is an adapter that I've seen. It's a 3 inch with a Y, and if I can get a 1.5 to 3 inch connection there with the P-trap, I shouldn't have a problem with odor. That's kind of the plan. I really don't want to put a separate drain in for the sink other than something temporary like that. So any ideas, let me know.
I want to get some hot water to the sink there, so I've ordered an EcoTemp 4-gallon electric mini water tank heater. It operates off 110-120 volts. It's adjustable heat from 50 Fahrenheit to 140. It's got a quick recovery time. It's small, compact. I can place it somewhere there on the wall or underneath the sink, and I'll just tap it into the faucets that come with the sink.
And then I'll make some sort of a little walk, a little catwalk across there, if I keep the RV hooked up. I may just keep that disconnected. I don't know, I need to address that whole sewer potential drain for the sink in conjunction with the motorhome. If anyone has any ideas on the right fitting for that, let me know. Otherwise, it's just hunting and pecking at Lowe's. So I throw that out there as a nice add-on to the garage.